What's going on, guys? So in this video, we're gonna tear this freaking Jeep down. We're gonna knock it out. We're gonna get everything replaced all at once. We're gonna make it into a nice, clean, safe, and reliable daily driving vehicle. And we're gonna do it all recording on this GoPro Hero 6 Plus. So I'm not gonna sit here and talk. You know what we gotta do? We gotta replace the right inner fender liner, the left fender flare, the core, not the core support, the header panel, the headrest covers, the air dams, the crash thing. We got a lot to do. So let's stop talking. Let's just get into it. Let's do this. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed following along with me. This has been a really fun and interesting project. It's been frustrating, that's for sure, but you know what? It's my first time working on a Jeep ever, so there's bound to be a learning curve, right? So I'm happy with the way it turned out. The driver's side fender flare and fender liner was quite honestly the hardest part of this whole thing for me. It took me forever to figure out how these things were supposed to go back on, and I just could not get them lined up. Turns out it was my fault, of course. I broke about every clip that I bought for it. But you know what? Once I figured out that you need to install the inner fender first to the flare and then the flare to the car, made it a cinch. Hey, you know what? Let's wrap up this video, but first let's do a before and after right now. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed following me along as we put this Jeep back together, get it ready to sell. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed this content, please give this video a thumbs up. Put a lot of work into it. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget to comment below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.